Hey, I'm Joel and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to get some wall art made. I have one here. It's a 16 by 20. My camera was picking up some of the greens and blues of the green screen. This is a green screen, so that's why you had the the image coming out. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to get that done and also give you the opportunity to get your own for free. A 16 by 20 inch canvas print. You can send me any picture of yourself, your family, your kids, your dogs, whatever you want. Now I'm going to put a clip in somewhere in the middle or the end of this video. And the first person to tell me what that clip is about down in the comments section is going to get that free print. All right, let's get to it here. Okay, so here we are in the home screen of our Canva account. Now, if you don't have a Canva account, I think you can just sign up with your email address and it's free. There are some features that you won't be able to use. So I do definitely recommend, especially if you like making your own designs or maybe do designs for clients, I definitely recommend getting a pro account. Now, Canva isn't sponsoring this video, so I gain nothing from it. It is quite a good program and worth the subscription price, if I may say so myself. So, okay, here we are, and we go to create a new design, custom design. And as I mentioned in every other tutorial, this by default is set to pixels. Now, pixels is something that we use when we're designing things on screen. For example, if you're watching this at 1080p, that's 1920 pixels wide by 1080 pixels tall. So we use that for screens. For printing, we use inches. So we go to 2 inches there. And the print I showed you and the one we're going to be designing today is a 16 by 20 inch. And since the image wraps around the sides of the frame, we need to make sure that we have extra or a bleed so that we can make those folds and the image goes all the way around. We need 1.75 inches on each side extra for that fold. So since it's a 16 by 9, 1.75 inches here, let me pull up the calculator really quick. So 1.75 times 2, because there's 2 sides to the width, which is what we're doing now, equals 3.5. So 3.5 inches extra that we need, plus the 16 inches for the actual image area, that would be 19.5 inches. So we go here to width and we go 19.5 inches. Now the height would be 20 inches. Let me pull up the calculator again. 1.75 times 2 equals 3.5 plus 20, which is 23.5. So that's what we're going to do for the height, 23.5 inches. Create new design, and see we have these rulers here. If you don't have the rulers, you go Shift R and you can toggle them on and off. We need them on here because we need to mark where our fold will happen. That 1.5 inches on each side, so we can see there it's marking the distance. We can zoom in. Grab this marker and we'll go to 1 point. That's close enough. And we'll go over here to 16, 1.5, so 17.5, that's close enough. All right, so now we can zoom out. And we do the same thing on the top and bottom. So we go here, 1.5, zoom in again. That'll be close enough. Zoom out a little bit so we can see the bottom there. And zoom in, and that's close enough. Okay, so now we have to find our picture. Okay, so we grab our picture here, put it in, and as you can see, we can adjust it here. Make this a little bigger and just focus on the sides. Going to make the adjustments we want where we want the image. Now what we're going to see on the front of the print is this here, what we see inside our marker. All this stuff is going to be around the sides of the canvas print. Okay, so we're all set, and now we go to share, we go to download, make this a JPEG, increase the quality 100. Now, if you don't have the Pro version, it might not give you the option to increase the quality. So in that case, what you would do is just leave it as a PNG. Okay, so that's downloaded. Now we put Canvas print and save it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you where to go to get it much cheaper than most places. Now I usually compare to, let's say, Vista prints here. We have the Canvas prints, and they don't have the 16 by 20 that we made, but we designed, but they have a 16 by 24 just to compare pricing. Let's see here. That is going to be about $51.79 plus ship, and that's with a discount. It looks like here regular price is $73.99. So they give you a choice of frame styles. They recommend the 1.5 inch wood frame, which is what we offer at Coastal Prints. So we go to here, let me go from the beginning. Go to printsllc.com. Okay, now we go to gifts and decor, photographic canvas wall art, and now we get a choice of sizes here. Here's that 16 by 24, $26.49 compared to on sale $51.79. And we do also offer free shipping for orders over $100. And let's see, so that 16 by 20 would be $23.95. And we go to choose file to upload our image. Grab it here, load our file, and then we add to cart. Okay, so now we're in our cart, and the rest is self-explanatory. Thank you so much for taking the time to view the video. If you liked it and you want to see more tutorials, please subscribe, and don't forget to give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you want to help the channel even more, then go to printsllc.com and get yourself that canvas print and any other of the products we have on there. Again, I really appreciate your time, and I'll see you on the next video.